Hello again everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have here a double-sided knife grindstone or a sharpening stone that I got from Daiso. It just costs about 5 ringgit and 90 cents, about maybe 150 US dollars. So let's open it up and see how it is inside of it, right? I need this because most of my knives are all blunt now, so I need to sharpen them. Oh, there it is. So it has a, as it said, double-sided, which is a coarse graded on one side and a fine grade on the other side. So I am going to soak this in water, as some of the YouTube videos has suggested. It will increase the efficiency of this grindstone and to be able to sharpen knives much easier and simpler. Right, let's soak this. Right, here is our container of water and we're gonna soak this. And most of the YouTube said that we have to leave it inside there and let micro bubbles, a lot of bubbles will come out of it, and once the bubble is gone, it is ready to be used. I can see little bits of bubbles, micro in size, but not like the bubbles that I saw on other videos on YouTube. But I think it's the quality of it, right? Of course, this is a 5 ringgit and 90 cents, about 1 ringgit and 50 cents US dollars. I think the ones that they use are much more expensive than this. I saw all of their grindstones, they have brands embedded on them, but this one is just blank and nothing else. Okay, anyway, we are going to soak this for about 10 minutes and I think it's going to be ready to be used. So this is the pen knife that I'm trying to sharpen. As you can see, yeah, visibly you can see that it's very blunt. So to test the sharpness of this, to prove that it is blunt, I folded a piece of A4 paper. And what they usually do is to just slide their knives onto papers like this, and usually the sharp knives, the sharpest of knives can just slice this off, but not with this knife. That is why I need to sharpen this. So it has been 10 minutes since we soaked this grindstone. And now what I'm going to do is just slide this onto this self-made rig on this piece of plywood. And the purpose of it is these two upside down screws are going to stop this from going to the front, and these two will prevent it from rolling to the side. So this should, I think I got the measurement a little bit wrong, but it's okay. Right. Okay. That should work. Like so. Right. So, what they had teach or they taught on YouTube videos is to slide this from the tip of the knife to the bottom with the same action like so. Oh, this thing is just like rocking like a seesaw. I need to fix this. Hold on guys. So I've shifted one of the screws to the outer side of it a bit, so this should be able to slide on nicely. There you go. See, it's very firm, it doesn't rock at all now. So now let's do this. I think I'm going to do 33 sharps or sharpens, or 33 pushes on this side and another 33 on this side. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Alright, now we go to the other side of it. Because I'm right-handed, so this would be a little bit awkward. I did some practice round on this, but anyway, we will still start to count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Alright, so from the feeling on my finger, I can feel that it is getting sharper. But yeah, let's try it on our paper. Will it able to cut the paper? Still none, but it's catching. It is catching, not like just now. So I think I got to do more of this. Alright, I'm going to do more of this, and when it's ready, I'm gonna come back to you. Okay, now I did about 99 pushes this side and 99 pushes this side, and from the feel on my fingers, it is much sharper. But will it slice this piece of paper? No, I don't know what kind of. Oh, it says here stainless, so this is stainless steel. So I guess stainless steel needs those grinding machineries to sharpen it, right? But I have another knife. Okay, I have here another knife which is much bigger, and this, I'm pretty sure, it's made out of mild steel, because as you can see, even though I've leathered it with lubricants like the dry bicycle chain oil, but it's still like starting to rust there. So yeah, let's see, using the same piece of paper, will it slide it? Will it slice it? Well, it tries to. Oh, okay, so it can do the job, but it's not as smooth. You see, it's tearing the paper off. So now I'm very confident that this will get sharpened much more better than the stainless one using this grinding stone. So I'm gonna start doing this. Right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33. Alright, so one side is done. Let's turn it the other way to the other side, and then let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Wow, I am right-handed, so this feels awkward. I'm worried that I might blunt the knife instead of sharpening it, so I must be very careful. 5, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3. Alright, now let's flip the the grinding stone on the other side, which is the finer surface, and do a couple several of these, right? Maybe 7, 11 on this side and 7 on this side. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so on this side 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or maybe 7. All right, now let's give this some wipings, and let's, oh, that feels very sharp. Okay, now let's go back to our paper. Now let's try to slice it, right? What? I think I have blunted it instead of sharpening it. Wow, bummer. So let's use a fresh piece of paper which is of the same material. Oh, ah, well, okay, let me do several times of sharpening and I'll come back to you. Hey guys, I've been sharpening this for the last 10 minutes with equal pushes, both on this side and this side. So now it's time to test the sharpness. Let's do this. Ooh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Woo. Ah, well, I'm not a master knife handler, but I think this is how they do it, right? Woo! Look at that. Woo! Well, that's not a cleanest of slicing, but yeah, I got the job done. Wow, look at that. So this proves that soaking a grindstone in water for 10 minutes will make your sharpening of your knives much easier, and it makes it works. So yeah, that's it guys. That's it for today. So I will see you in the next video. Meanwhile, take care, and when you handle your knives, be very careful. Bye bye.